How to restore your vision, eliminate fat from your liver, and thoroughly cleanse your colon. Maintaining good health in a world that often undermines our self-esteem can be quite challenging, but it's definitely achievable. Have you ever wondered if you're consuming enough of this remarkable plant? Whether you're already a fan of beetroot or not, it's worth increasing your intake of this vibrant vegetable. Beetroot, typically consumed raw or mixed with leafy greens, offers a range of health benefits. It can shield your colon from toxins, help cleanse your liver of fat, enhance blood circulation, and provide your body with the energy it needs for the day. Beetroot contains beneficial compounds like betaine and tryptophan, which have a calming effect and help alleviate stress. If you're serious about reaping the rewards of this unexpected superfood, there are various ways to incorporate it into your diet. I personally prefer enjoying it in the form of a salad, so keep an eye out for the recipe below. Also, when selecting your beets, mature ones are a good choice since they contain less sugar compared to young beets. Beetroot salad recipe. Ingredients. Designed for about 3 servings: 6 beets, 4 onions, extra virgin olive oil, vinegar, salt to taste. Various additional vegetables of your choice. Instructions. Peel the beets and place them in a pot of water with a pinch of salt. Cut the beets into small pieces and place them in a bowl. Chop the onions and add them to the bowl with the beets. Drizzle some vinegar and olive oil over the ingredients. Add salt to taste and, if desired, drizzle some vinaigrette over leafy greens. Salt seasoning is optional. Allow it to sit for 30 minutes to an hour before serving. Regular consumption of this salad can provide unexpected health benefits. I recommend incorporating it into your diet. However, for those who can't acquire specific beet varieties, juicing is an excellent alternative. Beet juice recipe. Ingredients. 1 apple. Half of a large beet. Half piece of ginger, chopped. Ice. Instructions. Place beets and ginger in a juicer or food processor and blend until smooth. Quarter the apple, removing the core and the peel. Juice the apple in a juicer. Mix everything thoroughly and add ice to chill. Enjoy your refreshing beet juice. Including beets in your diet regularly can offer a multitude of health benefits. This remarkable plant has the potential to improve your vision, assist in liver fat reduction, and cleanse your colon thoroughly. Thanks to all our subscribers. We love you. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Like and share this video for others to see. How to restore your vision, eliminate fat from your liver, and thoroughly cleanse your colon. Maintaining good health in a world that often undermines our self-esteem can be quite challenging, but it's definitely achievable. Have you ever wondered if you're consuming enough of this remarkable plant?